staff and students of Odiko Boatman Senior High School, ladies and gentlemen, I warmly welcome you to this colorful occasion where we have all converged to celebrate a great school. This year's SRC week is that quality education, the role of a Ghanaian student or a Ghanaian child. We strongly believe in equality because that is what will distinguish us from others. Education has become a passport and the blood that moves through the veins of life. And because of that, we have all gathered here this very morning. Victor Hugo once said, "He who opens a school door closes a prison." It means when people go to school, they learn and acquire knowledge and skills and secure jobs for themselves. They then become responsible and have no time engaging themselves in activities that will lead them into prison. And for that matter, you congratulate the proprietors of this school who had a mission to establish this school so that the people of Mampong will have the opportunity to better their lives by attending this school. Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, today marks the 15th milestone of the existence of Odiko Boatman School. And 7 years in the annals of a school is no mean achievement. It has become necessary to reflect on how far this senior high school has come. From its establishment as a vocational institute somewhere in 2003 and moved to senior high school in 2012 to gaining its status as educational complex comprising crèche, kindergarten, primary, and senior high school. That is why we have a cause to celebrate today. The numerical strength of the school present stands over 500 students. There are 32 staff members currently working in this school. Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, academic work is a serious business because we eschew mediocrity and always strive for excellence in our school. There is a strong bonding cohesion among the rank and file of the staff, which is a driving force for teamwork. In our quest for excellence, we have all resolved to be dedicated, committed, and hardworking, and we strongly believe we will go far. Ladies and gentlemen, no excellent and result-oriented school can make strides without necessary facilities. The school is currently working on to provide all the needed facilities that will enhance effective teaching and learning. Very soon, Odiko Boatman Senior High School will be an education paradise with state-of-the-art facilities. Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, the upbeat ambition of every institution is to produce excellent results. I am proud to say that Odiko Boatman Senior High School has chalked several successes at the WASSCE exams. The school turned out 6 batches since the first attempt in 2013. Out of the 6 batches, 2 had an average of 80% pass, and the rest 6 passed out with 100% distinction. That is a plus for this school. And it is our earnest hope that all the years ahead will continue to remain absolutely 100%. Mr. Chairman, it is a strong desire of the proprietors, Madam Esther Odiko Boatman of the school, to venture in education from basic up to the tertiary level, probably in nursing and its allied health courses. Plans are on the drawing board and we trust in God that it will come to fruition. Mr. Chairman, and distinguished ladies and gentlemen, God has indeed been good to us, and we can never stop thanking Him. Join me to say kudos to the proprietors and her husband for this great school and for their vision for establishing this school.
before me told me safre one aba me da one nyina ase na yataso me esano meka school na bakosem kakra school yi enam se me call vocational school ti me bia vocational school na me pesa me dey ma emayu anu a wo ma drop out a wo entimi akọ school ewie etimi bia me nya nipa more than 100 na me ye foundation so ka ho ye foundation ni de nka ka me kire wo mo gare enwo eniamane ma o betimi di abobra na afa dru ba bi no na emayo no pe vocational school na me change no ko secondary school at the secondary school no bibia ye no agu by 3 times na brabon na di ye me maswa na agu anso empire bonti ya bi nipa 8 ene bie ye ene ya kwa ya nim kakra 5 ya bro 500 ya da radi ase na emu ana me de keji suka ho me hu se esa me twe ankwala no na me ti wo mo na me de wo mo efele secondary school ankwala no che bi back to ene bie ene ankwala no ye 260 wo mo ti bi back to 80 na afutuo kakra me de ba ma mo ne se aha de mo ho hwe me America na me nyine ye akoda bia ho wa faso akoda bia ni ho a wa say koda bia ho wa faso ena ne akoso wa America no enya bi na akoso wa ha America every day and the fofroba every ha na just a die etinya bia be capture mo say mo nyine mo ho na mo hia de first pa no obi kwa for obi ti bia ye bibia and that's why kwa college you are nobody wonya she eti mo nyire mo na mo hia de na na ku for do ba ye no what you bia kwa high school eti me ba ye no ne ma hu ni se crime no is down crime go all the way down but it's better and I'm saying well I didn't know what school there enti misramo afutu amede be mamo mama guha no obi anyi no hu no hia de obi ahu wa faso ani ama akoso no high tech no ebi duru ha nti se mo anyi no hu na mo hia de a me se mo ya dai mo nya hwe enti mo anyi no hu na mo hia de na mo kwa college na mo nya ni petitu obanya safo ye bunu be ya kana se mawie